Hi everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Nahar Geva. I'm the CEO and the co-founder of ZikAnalytics. Today I make this video because I want to talk with you about arbitrage business. In the last few years, the arbitrage business is blooming because this business model is very easy to scale up. We don't need to invest any money in advance. Only things we need to do is to invest time and to make it right. And today I want to show you how we can find an arbitrage opportunities using ZikAnalytics, and I will talk a little bit about with which platform we can use for arbitrage business and how to do it as well, of course. Okay, so as you can see, we are looking on the ZikAnalytics website. I will just log in here. And while I'm showing you how I find arbitrage opportunities, I will explain you a little bit how we are going to make this arbitrage business. So you will have the idea where it starts and where it's ends. So you can also later after this video go and make it by yourself. You have to remember that that arbitrage business need to have two peers, okay? You need to have a platform where you can sell the information, and you need to have a platform where you can find the information. Now, it is very important for you to remember that as an arbitrage sellers, we are not exactly a normal sellers because we are not holding the products by ourselves. We just find products in one platform and sell it more expensive in another platform, okay? And basically, when we do this kind of business, we are more like real estate agent. It's like selling houses or renting houses, okay? Our job is to find the most fresh, the most up-to-date information, and to find the opportunity in the platform when we want to sell this item, and just make this connection fast. And after we make this connection fast, of course, it depends on which platform we are selling. We need to adapt ourselves to the platform that we are selling the products. So here we are in the dashboard of ZikAnalytics. ZikAnalytics is an analytics market research tool for eBay.com, eBay co.uk, and all kind of eBay marketplaces. With Zik, we actually finding the opportunities in eBay. So eBay is the platform where we are going to sell the products, where we are going to sell the information, okay? Now you have to remember, like I said before, we are selling information, not products, because we not buy the product by ourselves. We're just connecting from one side to another side. So I will also open ebay.com here and amazon.com just for the example, and I will show you how can we make an arbitrage business based on dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, and how we find opportunities using Zik. So as you can see here, I'm going to Zik. I will go to the product research. The product research tool is a tool that sits on eBay search engine, and he get us the result based on the best match results. Like I said, we're selling information. We need to understand what buyers seeing when they search something on eBay, so we can make decision based on that, because it's very simple. If someone come here now to eBay and he want to buy wind chime, let's say, imagine you're the buyer, you say you want to buy wind chime, okay, you write wind chime in eBay, and now you get this result, okay? And let's be a little bit more exact. So let's say we are now talking about the American market. So I need to change the address here to USA, so eBay recognizes me as a USA buyer. And then I can search again for wind chime, and then I will get the result, okay? Now I can just make here to US only, so it's like a US seller only. And then I get the result, and as you can see, I got a 17,000 results inside eBay. And I get the first page result here that usually include between 50 to 100 items, depends on the site preferences. Here you can see 50, we can also make it 100. Now, who is selling? Usually who is selling is the listings, the products that rank themselves to the first page result, because of most of the buyers not going for the next page. So automatically, as an arbitrage seller, we need to understand that when we find some fresh information in another supplier website, we want to get the listings we upload to eBay to this page. And to do it, we need to base our statistic based on the best match result search. Okay, so this is exactly what Zik do. Zik present us the statistic based on that. So if I will write here win chain, and I will make sure I'm on the United States market. Okay, I will make search, and I will make Zik selection. I will get result based on that from the most selling item to the least. Okay, because I want to see who is the best selling items that rank himself to the first page result, and how can I learn from this information and basically take this an opportunity. Okay, so now we're going to see the statistic. We're going to see exactly the opportunity here, and you can see that we have the sell-through rate calculation, the successful list calculation that show us what is the chances that we will sell, how much sale earning this keyword surge through those items, how many sold items from 100 listing for the first page result, what is the selling average price, and so on. We have all the information we need to take the right decision. If we scroll down, we can see the list of the items from the most selling to the least. And all we need to do now is to make decision based on that. Okay, now this is our platform where we sell the information, where we sell the item. Now, after we make a niche research, okay, after we check the niche of win chain, all we need to do is to go to our supplier, to the other side of the coin, and look for item that will be cheaper, that will answer the need, that will be an opportunity for us. So we found a good niche, 77% successful listings, 567 sell-through rate. This is an opportunity. Okay, this is an arbitrage opportunity. Now, to make this opportunity come true, we need to choose the right item. Okay, so if you're watching this video and you don't know nothing about eBay, or you're just in the beginning, don't worry. Okay, you need to understand the full picture. And if you will join Zik, you have a 25 lessons course that will teach you everything about market research, about how eBay algorithm, eBay search engine works, how to build titles, and so on. But it is very important for me that you will understand the business model and how easy it is. Okay, so let's go to Amazon and search for win chain. Oh, I made a mistake here, sorry. Okay, so we search for win chain and we see there is different one. We can just filter from the cheapest one and see how can we find something that will sell good. So here we have one in $9. You see here we have one in $9. It's fulfilled by Amazon, which means it's Amazon customer service back up this item. And now I will go to Zik, to the results, and I will look for some items where I can sell with profit that fits. Okay, take a look on this item. So 30 times in the last 30 days, okay, look exactly the same like this item, exactly the same, okay, and sell for $19, guys. This is a profit of almost $5 after fees. This is how we want to make profit. This is how we make profit in arbitrage selling. Now imagine you upload to your eBay store 1,000 items like this with $3 to $5 profit. You will make around $3,000 profit a month, okay, without to invest nothing. All you need to have is eBay store, Zik account, and that's it basically. You just need to find the items based on it. Inside Zik you have all the course, 25 lessons that teach you step by step how to find those opportunities, and all you need to do is just list to your eBay store those items. When they get sold, when you sell the item in your store, you go to Amazon, you put the address of the buyer inside Amazon, and you ship it directly to the buyer with a gift receipt, so he don't see how much you purchased the item on Amazon. You can use different suppliers. You can use Walmart, you can use Kmart, you can use AliExpress, you can use many different sources of items. All you need to do is to learn how you find opportunities, to learn how you find this information. You have everything inside Zik, so you are welcome to join Zik anytime you want. We have also a Facebook community with over 2,500 professional eBay sellers. We have a live chat support here on the right side, so you can contact us all the time and ask questions. We have the Zik Academy here, so you can join the Zik Academy anytime you want. And just after you join Zik, you can start watch the videos and learn how everything exactly works. You're more than welcome to join thousands of arbitrage sellers that make a lot of money from this kind of business model. It's easy. You don't need to invest money. You can start from tomorrow. All you need is eBay store, eBay account, PayPal account, and Amazon account, and a Zik account. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.